Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some possible spoilers at a future BoxyCharm box. I don't know what month and these are not confirmed yet, but we are going to look at them. Now Joe put these on his story, so I will be showing you a clip of that as well. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track, do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. But if you would take the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell, that way you're notified of every video I upload. Now guys, let's read the first comment on my last video, which was my Ipsy September and October updates and confirmation about the new bags. Congratulations, Snooks91. Snooks said, "Thanks for all these updates, love. Swinging by to say hi. Sending so much love your way." Well, thank you so much, Snooks91. I really appreciate you taking the time to comment and watch my videos, and I really appreciate you having your bell on, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself want a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now guys, stay tuned till the end of the video when I read the comment that I picked from that video. And let's go ahead and jump in. First I'm going to show you the items that he was showing, and then I'm going to let y'all see the clip. So the first thing is the Pharmacy Beauty Very Cherry Clean Cleansing Balm. Now I know they made that green one. It was all natural ingredients. This one looks really good. Now the next thing is the Pharmacy Beauty Very Cherry Bright Serum. And then last but certainly not least is the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Body Butter. Now guys, here is a clip that Joe put on his Instagram earlier.
I love pharmacy.
Me too.
Okay guys, so I love the team and all friends, and this is the note they sent me, their new lunches for Patty and myself. And let's go and show them what we have over here. So with pharmacy, it's more than just working with pharmacy. I'm friend with the owner, David, the entire team, and it makes it very rewarding to see how they evolved and became an amazing brand. Can you open it for me, Beliz, por favor? Porque no puedo hacer con un mano así. ¿Tú sabes cómo? So, this is actually a makeup remover slash cleanser, right? And you have this applicator over here. I'm very familiar with this product. Not gonna tell you why, because you're asking way too many questions, but I'm very familiar with that.
We love it.
And it is amazing. Amazing. Okay, now this is the notorious serum that they came up with. And this is a cherry serum. I've been to Sephora and they had a very beautiful activation around cherries. It was really pretty. And this is Honey Butter Body. I know Patty's gonna love this one. And that's it. Alright guys, we love you and thank you so much.
So what do you guys think? Do you think that he was showing some beauty items for a future BoxyCharm box? I mean, he does talk about that cleansing balm, talking about he knows a lot about it, but he can't really say too much. So tell me what y'all think down in the comments below. And of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below. Now guys, let's read the comment from my last video that I picked. Congratulations, Tori's Den. Tori says, "Love your videos. Thanks for keeping us up to date." Well, Tori, thank you so much. You're the one that keeps me going, honey. And I really appreciate you taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. And remember, guys, if you want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this video. And guys, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube keeps taking away my subscribers, my views, my likes, everything. They're trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you haven't, what the hell? Why haven't you hit the button? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. No, really, y'all, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit the subscribe button. Then I need you to rate the video, but you only got one option. you got to hit the thumbs up button. The thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. Really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no more comments down there saying I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it, y'all. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.